So let's go back and complete that order and show you what it's going to say. Here's my cart. Proceed to checkout. Complete the order. Payment gateway is invalid. Save my information. Oh no, don't save my information. Oh, the problem is I'm always messing about with this, right? It's a free purchase, Shopify. No payment is required. Review order. Complete order. And we are purchased. Thanks for ordering it. Shipping information is on the way. Continue shopping customer. Emails coming through. Hello. Right. Hello. The Drink Report Experience Shop placed a new order. So this is an email to me as the shop owner. I've got a new order and I can click on it. So I'll go to the back end and it will show me information on where it's being shipped, where it's going to, and everything like that. And the customer will get this email a little bit tidier looking. Here's your order. Here's your information. View your order. Gets you back to that information, right?